Well, hello ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to Quad Boss Lee. And today, as you can tell behind me, we're working on the 2006 Ford Freestyle today, doing a simple routine maintenance thing that, especially in Arizona, you do probably about once a year, is replacing your wiper blades. I have not done it on this car yet for you guys, so without further ado, let's go ahead and get on to it. Here we are on the front of the Freestyle, and you guys can see our wiper blades have had plenty of use on them. This one happens to still be good. The passenger side has actually lost about half its rubber. If I flip this over, you will see it's missing a good chunk of it. We are going to go ahead and replace these. Real simple steps. To replace these, you can get any brand that you want. I actually have Michelin windshield wipers. The driver's side is a size 24. The passenger is a size 20. Like I said, it does not matter as long as you get those two numbers and whatever brand you want, they will all work for the Ford Freestyle. I'm gonna go ahead and take you over to the bench to show you exactly what we're doing. Like I said, got Michelin's, really pretty decent brand. This is the passenger side, size 20. I opened up the driver's side, which is a size 24. When you open this, you obviously get the wiper, and then you also get a couple different adapters to fit different vehicle types. To fit the Ford Freestyle, we're actually going to remove this one, which is actually, if you just tilt it up, it'll pop right off. We're actually going to take this one, which has all sorts of different types of adjustments to it. Like I said, they're made to fit on Universal's cars. See this kind of this U channel here. This is actually going to fit on the rod that's inside here on your windshield wiper blade. So we're actually going to put this together. Once that snaps into place, this wiper is already good to go. Let's go ahead and hop over to the driver's side on the car to remove the old one. Now, depending on what you have on here, it might be different. But with mine, all I do is, you'll see there's kind of like this slice in here. All I do is twist the windshield wiper, pull the windshield wiper up, and it comes off. Now be careful to not let this rod spring back because it will crack your windshield. Go ahead and take your windshield wiper blade off. Gently set this on the windshield. In case it does slam down, it's already down. You can go ahead and discard this and we'll grab our new one. Okay, so we have our new windshield wiper blade, and if you notice, we have a hole that goes right through the middle, which is actually what we need to go on here. So we're gonna go ahead and take our windshield wiper, hold it up there. We're gonna put the hole through this hole up top here. Slide that in there like that. Once we slide it in, all we're going to do, turn it and then pop it back down. Simple as that. We're going to go ahead and do the same on the passenger side. Once that is complete, we can go ahead and give it a test run. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, just like that, we got the passenger side done. There is like this decorative cap that you could put on here that actually fits on the wipers that we have. Went ahead and put that on there, and it kind of fits it up a little bit snugger of a fit. But we got the driver's side and the passenger side on, so let's go ahead and start up the car. And our windshield actually is dirty, so let's go ahead and give her a clean. Alright, you guys, so you can tell the windshield is pretty dirty. Let's go ahead and give her a clean. Oh, yes. Very nice. Very, very, very nice. So, ladies and gentlemen, that concludes today's video on the Ford Freestyle. I hope you guys enjoyed it. It's a nice, quick, simple one, but it does give a little bit of information for you guys if you have one, and that you can get any brand that you want as long as you get the size 24 and the 20. Now we got brand new windshield wipers on the car. We can clean our windshield. We could go through rain. We're good to go. We can see clearly. So I hope you guys liked this video. If you did, please hit that like button down below. And if you have not already, subscribe to Quad Boss Lee for more videos like this one and all the other machines that we have on the channel. So hope you guys like it. We'll catch you guys on the next one.